Yo, what's good? It's currently very late and I'm very tired. Um, but I'm like glued to this chair in a bad way just because of how sore and tired I am. But I can be productive in the meantime. This is a delayed review for last Tuesday the 1st. Yeah, I had originally taken my leg rest day on the Sunday, so then was hoping to go the whole weekend. Little did I know Tuesday would be the first of then 3 leg rest days in a row. Yeah, on Tuesdays I have my church group. Then after I go to Shinny, it just works out because it's close in the times to work out. And yeah, I just was struggling with just energy and not feeling the greatest. And then then I put my contacts in after work to go out and drive and stuff, and I was running late, so one was kind of iffy, and instead of just taking it out then back in, I just left it and hoped some eye drops would fix it, but it got super bad, and then I got a bad headache, and yeah, on the way home I was just, do I go to Shinny? Not, so just ended up taking the last turn off then home, so no, I didn't. Yeah, well, I smoked super tired. But yeah, so then I would have been in the garage. I don't remember what exactly I was doing. Hopefully I remembered to do this video for Wednesday and Thursday. I think I did. Yeah, I'm cooked though. I look like I'm on drugs or something, but that's about it. Peace.